It's me. I am Paula Jordan Rivera. So today guys, let's do my skincare. First guys, I actually use this headband, and let's take off my eyeglasses of course. And I always do put over here my headband and do this thing. This is not candy. Okay. Too much, right? Okay. That's good enough. Okay, I think so. Okay, and I'm just gonna rub it for okay. And if I am done now, I'm just gonna put this headband and just go over here. I put my eyebrow guys, I am not done yet. I must put some perfume guys. I'm done now, bye.